Okay, Madhav, beta, come here. So, Madhav, today our topic is science fact. Okay, and I am going to ask you some questions based on science. So, your first question is: light is a form of,
My answer is energy.
and the natural source of light is.
Sun.
Very good. Hitiksha. Hitiksha, beta, tell me these plants bear flowers.
Flowering.
We get honey and wax from.
Honeybee.
Okay, Arish. Arish, beta, tell me what is the weight of a female brain.
1.25 kg.
Very good. Gunjan. A dwarf planet.
Pluto.
The star of the solar system.
Sun.
Okay, Dishant. Dishant, tell me inhale air has a high concentration.
Oxygen.
Exchange of gases in plants takes place through.
Flower.
Okay. Abhas. After filtration is left.
Residue.
Sugar is soluble in.
Water.
Okay. Ritika. Ritika, tell me. Red blood cells are produced in.
Bone marrow.
The largest organ of human body is.
Skin.
Okay. Kaushik. Kaushik, tell me pH value of pure water.
7.
What is the smallest unit of body?
Cell.
Okay. Raghav. Raghav, tell me plants that grow from spores.
Mushroom.
Plant that grow from seeds.
Mango tree.
Very good. Karthik. Karthik, tell me the lowermost part of the brain is the.
My answer is medulla.
The cerebellum controls the movement of.
My answer is muscle.
Okay. Gauri. Gauri, tell me soil is made up of. Finely crushed.
Rock.
The topmost layer of the earth's surface.
Soil.
Okay. Harsh. Road must not be constructed through.
Forest.
Plants make their food through a process called.
Photosynthesis.
Okay. But okay, Pradyuman, come here. What is the full form of CO2?
Carbon dioxide.
SI unit of speed.
Meter per second.
Okay. Okay, Rakshit. But today our topic is science fact. And I am going to ask you some questions based on science fact. So your first question is, which gas is used in fire extinguisher?
Carbon dioxide.
Which gas filled in balloon?
Helium.
Okay, Bhavyanshu. What is the most common metal in Earth's crust?
Aluminium.
Okay, Rugu. Hinge joint found in the.
Knee and elbow.
What do we need to form a shadow?
My answer is source of light, object and screen.
Okay, good. Ayush. Ayush. Light travels in which mean?
Straight.
The things which have life, we are called them.
Living things.
Okay, Raghu. Which acid present in apple?
Malic acid.
Which planet do not have moon?
Mercury and Venus.
Okay, Vedita. Will you tell me speed of sound?
My answer is 332 meter per second.
Okay. Who is the father of science?
Galileo Galilei.
Okay. Tasbia. What are the states of matter?
My answer is solid, liquid, gas.
Okay. Aradhya. What do we call tea and coffee?
My answer is beverage.
Okay. Aradhya. Tell me two sources of water.
My answer is river, rain.
Okay. Divya. Divya, beta, today our topic is science fact and I am going to ask you some questions based on science and you will give the answer. So first question is for you. Which animal breathes through skin?
Frog.
Which animal smell with tongue?
Snake.
Okay. Aradhya. Aradhya, beta, tell me what is herbivore animal?
Animals that eat only plants and plants product.
And tell me light always travel into a.
Straight line.
Okay. Lovely. Lovely, tell me herbivore, carnivore and omnivore are collectively called.
My answer is producer.
Many people bleed from the nose in which season?
Summer.
Okay. Yash. Better tell me SI unit of pressure.
Pascal.
Coal mainly contains of.
Carbon.
Okay. Kashish, better largest planet in our solar system.
Jupiter.
Which gas filled in balloons?
Helium.
Okay. Rishabh, better tell me penicillin is obtained from.
Fungi.
Which one of the following cannot reproduce themselves?
Protozoa.
Okay. Simran, bete, no shadow is formed when the object is.
Transparent.
Okay. Kaka, which is the cleanest fuel?
Natural gas.
Okay, very good. Mayank, what is the unit of amplitude?
Meter.
Loudness of sound depends on its.
Amplitude.
Okay. Aryan, who cultivate the good habits in children?
Teacher.
We purchase many things from the.
Market.
Okay. Arshita bete come here. Today our topic is science fact and I am going to ask you some questions based on science. So your first question is, how many main components make up human blood?
My answer is 4.
How many days does the moon takes to complete one orbit around the earth?
My answer is 27.3 days.
Very good, Dev. What percentage of human brain is water?
My answer is 80%.
Okay, Shiva. Smallest bones of body.
My answer is step.
Okay, Dipanshu. What type of animal lay eggs and has feathers?
My answer is birds.
Okay. The part of a plant absorb water and nutrients from the soil.
My answer is roots.
Okay, Chahat. Which organ in our body pumps blood to all parts of the body?
My answer is heart.
Okay. Yug. Which gas do plants take from the air to make the food?
My answer is CO2.
Okay, Udit. pH value of pure water.
My answer is 7.
Attached metal in periodic table.
My answer is lithium.
Okay, Arush. The natural source of light is the
Sun.
light is a form of.
Energy.
Okay, Divakar. What type of animal breathe through its skin?
My answer is frog.
Okay. What is the chemical symbol of water?
My answer is H2O.
Okay, Aryan. What is the chemical symbol for sodium?
My answer is Na.
Name the scientist who proposed of the theory of relativity.
My answer is Albert Einstein.
Okay. Who invented the neutron?
My answer is Chadwick.
Okay, Lavisha. Diamond made of which element?
My answer is carbon.
Okay. What type of organism is mushroom?
My answer is fungi.
Okay. Priya. What is the primary component of natural gas?
My answer is methane.
Which gas is responsible for the greenhouse effect of Earth?
My answer is carbon dioxide.
Okay, Kanika. Which gas is produced during photosynthesis?
My answer is oxygen.
And which subatomic particle carries a negative charge?
My answer is electron.
Okay, Shivi. Which vitamin is best for human eyes?
My answer is vitamin A.
How many pair of ribs does a typical human have?
My answer is 12 pair.
Okay, Damni. Which gas is produced when an acid reacts with a metal?
My answer is hydrogen.
Okay, Manvi. What is the smallest unit of an element that retains its chemical properties?
My answer is atom.
Okay. Okay, Abhi. Tell me, bete, which physical quantity is measured in newtons?
My answer is force.
Okay. Which color of light has the shortest wavelength in visible spectrum?
My answer is violet.
Okay. Tarun. What is the chemical formula of carbon dioxide?
My answer is CO2.
Which is the main gas present in the atmosphere?
My answer is nitrogen.
Okay. Shagun. Which metal is used to make aircraft bodies?
Aluminium.
Okay. Yash. How many poles does a magnet have?
My answer is 2.
And what is the SI unit of magnetic field?
My answer is Tesla.
Okay. So Gaurav, what is the SI unit of frequency?
My answer is hertz.
And what is the SI unit of power?
My answer is watt.
Okay. Lucky. What is the boiling point of water?
My answer is 100 degrees Celsius.
What do you call the force that pulls object towards the earth?
My answer is gravity.
Okay. Once. What is the SI unit of electric current?
Ampere.
What is the speed of light?
3 into 10 की power 8 meter per second.
Okay. Divyanshu. What is the study of tissue?
My answer is histology.
Okay. Ansh. What is the SI unit of relative density?
My answer is it has no unit.
Okay, very good. Aksh, could you tell me which part of the cell contains the genetic material?
My answer is nucleus.